Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back again. Take a word, make a sentence website once again. Rainy season. Which word I can take today? Yes, rainy season. Already, almost rainy season has come, and rain has come a few minutes ago. And have a look. A lot of children and women and male, everyone came on the route and walking beside the route. What's your name? Look here. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sumaya.
Okay, it's a very good. Your name is Sumaya, and another one. Her name is Sumaya. Sumaya, tell me her name.
Aisha.
Okay, and this route I told you before in front of my house, but it's very busy route. It's village route, but it's very busy route, and I'm standing in front of my house, and everyone enjoying for rain has come a few minutes ago, and everyone came out and enjoying together. A lot of children, I'm making videos here because I'm also enjoying with her. Have a look and please write down something how I'm doing and how they are doing, and everyone really excited, so excited, super excited, because a few minutes ago rain has come, and I'm really super excited because I'm making videos with the children and everyone excited. And please write down something how they are doing and how enjoying. Really super excited. I can't explain properly. As you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm making videos every single day and enjoying with children or everyone, because it's my responsibility and it's my duty. I have to learn English. I have to speak English. That's why I'm making videos here. And have a look. Many people are coming and going, and village beauty, amazing village beauty, pretty field. And my uncle, have a look at that place. My uncle already cleaning his paddy field. My uncle take care his paddy field and amazing paddy field. I love nature and I love village too much, because if you wanna fresh air, you have to come in village. After that, you will get amazing fresh air. And write down something how is looking my village and how is looking everything. And please forgive me if I have made a mistake. May Allah bless everyone.